In this video I'm going to dissect the pea flower, and they are really lovely colors and they have a very particular structure. So they have this big petal here and then the two smaller ones. So this is called a standard petal, and then there are the two small ones are called the wings, the winged petals, and then there is the lower ones that are called the keel, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to try and open up one of these flowers. So this here is the pedicel, and then let's see if I can open it. It broke a little bit, but there we go. So that's the standard, the bigger petal, and then we have the small wings. So this one, and two. And this one broke, that part. And then we have these little petals here. It's very fiddly because they're quite small. And then inside we have the reproductive system. So we have the stamens. Let me see. So let's see if I can show you. So we have the stamens here, and the ovary. There's the stigma on the top, and the style is the little tube. And this is the ovary over here. And we have here the sepals as well. See if I can show you. So these are the sepals. Okay, and I have a little branch here. So I have one with the seed pods, which are quite interesting to paint because they have this color here, so they're quite nice. And then so here we have I think this is the peduncle of the flower, and then we have some leaflets, these little leaves here at the side. These are the leaflets. And then we have the petiole, is this here. And what else? Let's see. We have the little flower buds, and these here are the tendrils, and they attach really strongly to whatever they find so they can climb. And I think that's all really. Okay, I think these ones here, actually the smaller ones, are called stipules. Yes. And the leaflets are the larger ones. Okay, so this is the flower dissected, and I will then look for the color and do some sketches of this flower and do some color swatches as well.